It's really windy today, but let's see how the sound works. Anyway, today I'm changing the coolant expansion tank, this one. Let's put the camera right here. Start by removing the coolant that is in the tank. There are other ways, but I will use a hose. This and down to a bucket. And then there's a bolt holding the tank in the car. Just one bolt, 8mm. Remove that one. And then there are two hoses. One small up there and one larger down here. And the large one put some tweezers on to not if there is more coolant fluid. It will stop right there. Then the upper hose. Remove the clamp. There might be some fluid coming out, so put a rag in here. There is only one bolt, and the upper part is this. Then it's removed. Let's find a new tank in our storage. Oh nice, the mic went dead here. Anyway, the tank is easy to install. Attach the lower hose. And then slide the upper hooks to the bracket. Attach and tighten the lower clamp. Attach the upper hose and clamp and the screw holding the tank. Remove the tweezers. And Fill up the tank with coolant and you are done.